so here, the nice Osso Buco. Ooh, and of course we wanna add. So how are we gonna do that? Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy. The next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated. From quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram @karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode. Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Carnivore Girl here, and today, I'm so excited. I get to open this. I got this at Wild Fork Foods in Costa Mesa. We got a whole bunch of meats there and fish. No, I think just meats. Yes. So finally I get to use this. I want to make Osso Buco, and Osso Buco is made with veal, and I even have veal. So cool, so excited. I'm sure there are many different recipes for Osso Buco, very known from Italy, very known in Italy, of course. So I'm actually gonna follow a recipe I found. I don't remember which one, or maybe sometimes I read different recipes and then I combine something, but of course 100% carnivore. But so here, two nice shank steaks, veal, and I wanna put salt on top, salt all over. And I thought, ooh, I still have some of my smoked pink Himalayan salt. I smoked it myself. Here's the recipe for that. I smoked not just that salt, also sea salt and canning salt, and it actually turned out very well. I don't know if I can feel the smoked flavor, if I can taste the smoked flavor at the end of this recipe, but I thought it sounds good, so I'm gonna use that one and just salt it all over. So, and then that recipe I read, they put flour all over, and of course I'm not gonna use regular flour with gluten that I'm very intolerant to anyways, and I still think gluten is not really good for everyone. Some people tolerate it better than others, but I don't think it's good for anyone. Oh, I actually saw, yes, what is this flour? I'm gonna tell you. But I wanna heat up this first. I forgot, I already should have done that. And in here I have some tallow. I always have tallow in the freezer, so I'm gonna heat that up. So I'm gonna let that tallow melt. And here, the flour I'm using is chicken flour. My popular chicken flour. Here is a recipe. Super, super cool. So now I actually like to put that into the pot right away. I don't want to put it down anywhere anymore, but now I have to wait until the fat is melted. So it's getting there. It's not all the way melted yet, but over here. So of course you can use much more fat. I think that's enough. Oh yeah, also you see the marrow Usually I actually almost always take the marrow out because I like it so much raw and I don't really like it cooked. But this time I want to leave it in, but like you should, but just a little bit. I mean, I just have to take some out to eat raw. Yes, let's take that. Ooh. Okay, but first let's finish this up. So I have it on the highest heat, and I basically just wanna brown everything on all the sides, just give it some color. I also like to put it on its side for a bit. I took them out, I just browned them everywhere on all its sides a little bit. And you don't have to do this, but it says you can put kitchen twine around and then it should keep its form a little bit better. So let's do that. Let's see if they stay together a bit better. So back to the pan with all that goodness in here. Here I have chicken broth, and it's flavored with, so I used this here. Here's a recipe how I make my chicken broth. So it has this flavor, mixed berry. I thought that would be cool. So I'm gonna put that in here, but honestly, I don't know if I have enough. So I have more chicken broth, but not flavored, but I hope this will be enough. So I have that in here. And I'm gonna put those in here. Oh, I have to turn the stove on again, of course. And I'm gonna bring it to a boil, but then I will reduce the heat and just simmer it for 2 hours and lid on top. Here, the piece of marrow I took out. I put a lot of salt on it. I need that for fat, always lots of salt. But I love raw fat, better than cooked. Oh, so good. And the veal, it's so delicate. I put the smoked salt on it. Smoky a little bit. Oh, so good and so healthy. I'm 5 minutes in, and look, the kitchen twine already came off. I didn't do a good job. Oh well, doesn't matter. The 2 hours are over. I turned them over, by the way, and now I'm gonna simmer them for 30 more minutes, but without the lid. So just like that, maybe a little bit less. So I'm gonna try, and I had more than enough liquid. Yeah, I mean the meat gives out liquid, and the lid was on top, so the liquid couldn't really evaporate. So that's what we're gonna try to do now. For 30 minutes, we're gonna reduce the liquid a little bit. Ooh, so here, nice Osso Buco. Ooh, and of course we wanna add, so how are we gonna do that? The broth, and I want to add some scrambled eggs. Here's a video, many different ways how to scramble eggs. So just scramble eggs however you like. I'm gonna add these. Ooh, so, and I also added some salt snowflakes on top. If you want to know salt snowflakes, how I make these, here or here is a recipe for that. That's a little bit of a big one. Maybe we should break that one a bit. Yeah, that looks a little bit better, huh? It's like a huge one. Ooh, so good. So I overdid it a bit with the salt snowflakes. I took some off. I think I should take some more off, otherwise it'll be too salty. But so yeah, ooh, that looks so good. I'm gonna try some of that broth. Yeah. Let's just bite into it. Agüita. Osso Buco. Oh. I really like shank steaks. Oh yeah. It's so good. All that collagen, so healthy for you, so good. Scrambled eggs. By the way, the scrambled eggs here, those are the oven scrambled eggs. Ooh, also what I like, put some scrambled eggs on here. Bye. Shit, I'm sorry. I mean, servus. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @karnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.